Welcome back to some more Mario Kart 64, where apparently I cannot drive. So we're going back and we're going to retry the second stage of the second cup. And I'm going to beat that monkey, because I do not like Donkey Kong no more. I thought Peach was bad. He's worse. Get him away, Toad. Get him away. Freaking mushroom. Get away. Dinosaur. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh! 8th place again. Almost hit another one. Can I get a star? Give me a star. Yes, not that. It's not what I wanted. I gotta make sure I don't go so fast I run into Bowser. Come on. Alright, 3rd place. 3rd place. This is not good because they just took everything I could have possibly wanted. Look at his turn. Look at his turn. It's so sharp. Look at it. Oh, what the? Get away, Yoshi. Get away, brother Luigi. Yeah, I didn't have to hit that snowman this time. Bowser did it for me. Got this. 4th place. And Yoshi's gonna come back up and try to mess with me. Did I say the AI was easy? I don't think they're easy. I changed my mind. They've gotten a hell of a lot stronger than what I remember. Oh! Concentrate now. I'm not hitting that snowman again. Come on, keep moving, keep moving. Just trying to focus there. Good Toad, good Toad, good Toad, good Toad, yeah. Yeah. There you go, Mario, laugh at him. It's good. Throw another shell. Probably won't hit nothing, lay another evil question mark down. 1st place. I don't know what I was aiming at anyways because I'm in 1st place. Yeah. Here we go. Victory speech! Yeah! Yeah! See, all I had to do was, you know, drive faster. Alright. 15 points to the Mario. That's right. Bowser didn't get nothing that round. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Alright. I don't think I like this stage either. Look at her. She just wants to like ride right with me. We can't drive side by side the whole race, Peach. Ah, now you can't see me. I am a banana. Look at it. I come to a dead stop because I hit the mountain. No. I don't know where I was throwing that. Oh my god. Oh, banana. Well, 7th place. Oh no, look, whatever happened to them? 5th place. And I still got passed. Alright. Kick Toad out. Dodge some more bananas. Yeah. Didn't even go anywhere. Oh, boulders! Cubicle, octagon, weird-looking shaped boulders. Oh, man. Oh, it took all the... Oh, man. Look at this. I'm in 7th. I'm doing horrible. Oh, look at her trying to drop something on me. Oh, no! No! I was in second! God, I felt like I was going really, really fast there for some reason. Please hit her. Of course they're gonna hit her. What? Donkey Kong passed me? Well, I got 4th. Woo! That was what, the 3rd race? I get 1 point. Oh, great. Now I'm tied with Yoshi. He's gonna take my 1st place position. Oh, no. Last race. Yeah. Mario's Raceway. My stage. I'm Mario. I got this. Ain't called Yoshi's Raceway. He got its amazingly awesome maze stage. I gotta take Yoshi out. Oh, God, I'm going so fast. I can't even. Oh. Hit him! Hit him! Come on. Ah, them shells were useless. Where are they? Oh, it's so fast. There's Yoshi. Hit him, Bowser. Yeah! You've got to be kidding me. He's directly in front of me and I threw a shell. Ugh. There we go. Hold this. Maybe I'm not going to hold it. Peach is going to come and eat the shell. Oh, here comes Donkey Kong. Here we go. Come on, DK, what you got? Nothing. Get the hell out of here. Here we go, here we go. Keep turning, keep turning. Get out of here, Peach. Final lap. Oh, no! What was that? No, 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 no. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go. I don't care if Toad passed me. Just don't let Yoshi. Don't let Yoshi. Oh, oh. 2nd place. And I was freaking out. Alright. I won, right? Nobody else beat me? 22. Yeah, I won. I'm not good at math. But don't have to be, because it adds it up for me. Told you that was my stage. Mario. Kind of just trying to savor the moment since I almost didn't beat this cup. Come on, blowfish guy, blow up my trophy. Yeah. Bleh. Tell me that'd be like one really, really nasty trophy. You know, it was inside of a fish. Can I skip this? Apparently not. Look at it in all of its shiny glory. Whenever there's a hole at the bottom. Yeah, that's right. You got it, Mario. Alright, and that's it for the 2nd cup in Mario 64. Oh, Mario Kart 64. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think of my videos. Leave a like. And subscribe.